Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is proactive. Let's discover what this essential workplace word means. Proactive means taking action before problems happen, instead of reacting afterward. A proactive person plans ahead, takes initiative, and looks for solutions before challenges become bigger. Here's an example. Her proactive attitude helped the team solve potential issues before the project deadline. This means she anticipated challenges, acted early, and helped the team achieve success. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word proactive? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!